In this video, you'll learn how to access the Kimi AI web app. By following these steps, you will navigate through the process of finding and accessing the application seamlessly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you commonly use. Once your browser is open, locate the address bar at the top of the window. Next, type in ws.google.com in the address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will redirect you to the Google search homepage where you can perform a search for Kimi AI. Once the Google homepage is loaded, look for the search box in the center of the page. In this box, type in Kimi AI and press Enter again. After a brief moment, you will see a list of search results related to Kimi AI displayed on your screen. After the search results appear, scan through the list for an entry labeled Kimi AI. This should be one of the first few results. Click on this link to proceed to the Kimi AI website. You should now be redirected to the Kimi AI homepage, confirming that you are on the right path. Once you are on the Kimi AI homepage, look for the specific link titled Kimi AI with K2 5 Visual Coding Meets Agent Swarm. This link should be prominent on the page. Click on it to access the main features of the Kimi AI web app. After clicking, the page may take a moment to load, so please wait until all elements are fully displayed. As you navigate through the Kimi AI web app, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A slow connection may delay loading times, making it important to have a reliable internet speed for optimal performance. If you experience any issues, consider checking your connection or restarting your router if necessary. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.